Welcome to Fingersprint. I'm Lily V, and this is part 3 in the series of tutorials showing you how to paint this northern forest landscape. In this video, I'll teach you how to finger paint the northern lights. Thank you for joining me for how to finger paint northern lights. The acrylic colors you'll need for this tutorial are titanium white, green yellow, turquoise, and deep magenta. We're using the same colors we did for the stars. We have titanium white going first. Now I've got a little bit of paint on my finger. You can squeeze it out of the tube like toothpaste. And notice how I'm twisting my hand so my finger and the paint connect at the bottom of what's going to become the northern lights. You want that paint squish to happen on the underside. You leave a roll of paint at the top. And I'll show you how this works with the colors when it's all finished. And my hand is flipped the other way, and you want to have a little bit of a curve when you're doing aurora borealis. They're not straight lines, they sort of float through the air. So keeping an S curve to your shape is a good thing. We're going to add another one over here on this side of the painting. Now, same technique. We're going to just add a color. On the same technique, I'm going to get a little bit of color on my finger and add it along that top roll of the white paint. I put a little blue on all of these. Not the entire thing, just a little color here and there. We've got 3 different colors here, so I'm filling in some blanks with green. Get a little bit of color on each. And lastly, the magenta. A little bit here and there. The magenta is a really bold color, so we don't want too much of it. All right. Now we gotta make some space. This next part is probably my favorite part. So we have a long flat surface. A forearm is a great tool to use. We're gonna be pushing it down and out across the painting to make the whole aurora borealis effect. It's basically smearing the paint. Awesome. It's so fun to do this. Now, when you get to the end, you have other parts of your body you can use. Here's a flat on my hand for this piece where my arm missed. Pad here will work great. Smear that last bit. And we're done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked what you learned, hit subscribe. And remember, click the bell so you can be notified immediately every time I upload a new lesson.